Into it really hard.
Yeah. Oh, there's my mom and dad.
This is the first campsite, right?
Kind of. The one below it's nicer though. Alright.
Hey, look, they're there. Let's go.
Gentlemen.
Dad.
Hello. Need a push?
Not yet.
You say you're gay?
No. Open your ears, bud.
Hey Bryce, turn on my camera. No, side button. Oh, there it is. Alright, cool.
There you go.
Alright, we're good. Alright, we're good.
There you go. Oh, hey, are we going?
I don't know, are we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're the one that seemed to know what was going on, Bryce.
Alright, well.
No, you're not leading, Bryce. No.
You need Bryce, you always have to have
Bryce
an
is
adult
early. What are you
downstream of
talking
you and an
about?
adult
Bryce is the
upstream.
lit.
What's that?
Bryce is the lit.
Yeah, but he doesn't know the
Let's go, motherfuckers.
Hey, Toby, you want to hear a joke? What's the worst thing a trout could call another trout?
I don't know.
A bastard. Bastard.
Oh, that feels great. Oh my god, that feels Toby! It's the littest poop ever. I pooped a rock up there and found it and then going, what?
Good water. Woohoo!
That's a strainer, Bryce.
I know.
It's not really shredded because no water.
No, but I mean, if it was out there, maybe
You're not even into the foot yet.
Oh, really?
Alright, let's go.
Hold on, Bryce.
Oh yeah, that was
I'm just trying to get dialed in. I'm just starting to
Dad, if you're trying to get dialed in, that'll take you a couple days.
It does. I literally like this run I never dialed. I like dialed it towards the very end.
I mean, I'm just trying to figure out, project my line. Right now, I'm looking at two boats in front of me.
So I wasn't, was there an attempt to try and put us into official groups, or?
That was an attempt, but I think it was kind of a...
So these guys look like they've almost got a little class thing going on, so.
Oh, just, yeah.
These guys seem to be they're most knowledgeable about the current conditions, so I was gonna follow them.
Yeah,
You guys are gonna catch all the good surfers.
We did this last weekend.
Well, there's that one up there, but if you, I didn't quite have enough speed. This boat doesn't have enough boat speed. There's a playway, but you got my flag. You catch it all the time. This one just went whoosh right through it.
Giant hot dog.
I just didn't feel my fly. I doesn't hit me as well.
Let's go.
Okay. Holy shit. Oh. Fuck. Oh crap. We just had a swim.
I saw that.
I flipped.
You did?
I was underwater for about 8 seconds.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this GoPro on?
I think so. Oh, that sucks. Man, I was underwater for like 8 seconds almost.
Sorry, Bryce.
It's okay. Yeah. I almost ran out of air. I couldn't roll up because the current was against my roll, so I had to wait for like 8 seconds.
Nice. Jesus,
That was a good wave too. I mean,
yeah, and I flipped that guy over there. Just swam. I feel so bad.
it's okay. It happens to everyone. Over there with the orange boat and white helmet.
Barely holding on right now.
No combat rules. How did you not flip?
Cause I'm good. Cause I leaned into you at first, and
So I went over you.
no, I leaned into you. You went under me. Slightly.
Oh.
You like bumped into me.
That's all I know.
If you hang on your boat, I'll get his mouth.